Hello everyone, welcome to Sailor Rider. In this video, I will show you the correct and updated process to enroll in the PSSR Amendment course, complete it, and download your certificate, step by step. Step 1. Open DGS site and go to e-learning. As soon as the DG Shipping website opens, go to the Director General of Shipping site and click on e-learning. Inside e-learning, you will see three options: DGS e-learning, competency courses, and modular courses. Here, you must click on Modular Courses. A new window will open. This is where we enroll for the course. Step 2. Course Enrollment and Verification. On this page, click on Course Enroll. A new window opens showing your INDOS number, your date of birth, and the Choose Course drop-down. Scroll down until you find 957 PSSR Amendment course. Select it, fill the details carefully, and click Verify. After verification, confirm the details and click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email. Make sure you are using the same registered email ID that is linked with your INDOS and DG Shipping profile. Step 3. Forgot password if needed. If you forgot your login password, click on Forgot Password below the enrollment option. Enter your registered email ID and date of birth, then press Reset Password. You will receive a new password on your email. Use this email and password to log back into the enrollment page. Step 4. Face Verification. After login, a window will appear for face verification. Click Capture Photo. If your photo does not capture, you have the option to update your face and signature as per DG Shipping rules every 5 years. Once your photo is verified, proceed to the course. Step 5. Start the PSSR course. Your PSSR modular course screen will now open. This is the DGS PSSR Amendment 2026 course. The course duration is technically 3 hours. If you try to finish everything in 1 hour, the assessment will not unlock, and the system will show that your course is incomplete. So make sure you complete the full duration. Step 6. Check your report. After completing the modules, go back to the home page and click Report at the top right. Here you can check how much time you spent, whether modules are completed, and assessment eligibility. Step 7. Take the assessment. Once your required time is completed, click Assessment. A new window will open with the assessment test. You will receive 30 questions, 30 minutes, 4 options per question. Complete all questions carefully. If you need help, I have added a PDF of questions and answers at the end of the video. You can refer to it. Step 8. Finish and generate certificate. After completing the test, click Finish, then OK. You will now see your attempt summary and marks. Exit the page and wait for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your certificate will be generated. Step 9. Download certificate. Go back to the main enrollment page. Click on PSSR Amendment again and enter your INDOS number, date of birth, and CAPTCHA. Click Submit, and your verified certificate will be available to download as a PDF.